at 10, there's mixed reaction locally as Congress is taking those steps to repeal the Affordable Care Act. WSBT-22's Veronica Ortega is here. And Veronica, some people are happy about this move, others are terrified.
Suzanne, today Senate Republicans approved the budget blueprint, but there's no plan yet to replace it, and that has some people very concerned.
Before the Affordable Care Act was passed in 2010, Elkhart, Indiana resident Dawn Kiefer didn't have any health insurance. She worked part-time jobs and mostly as a waitress in restaurants where it wasn't offered or she simply couldn't afford it. She was relieved to finally have health insurance under the ACA, but now she's scared it's going to be taken away.
Had I not had my insurance, I could not have went to urgent care down the street. I could not have went to the emergency room when I needed to because I couldn't breathe. I would have just been stuck and sick and could not have gotten the help I need.
Dawn is one of millions who now have health insurance, but there are still millions of people who don't because they fall within the coverage gap. Dr. Jacob Tuttle says most of his clients are happy about the repeal. His clinic helps those with high insurance deductibles or those who can't afford it. He says going forward, he likes the idea of creating a system where health insurance companies can compete.
Like anything in the free market, when businesses have to compete with each other and they're not limited by certain state regulations and keeping them within that state boundary, they're able to compete, and that lowers the prices of the premiums.
Bruce Matlock is one of those people who fall within the gap. He says he understands the argument on both sides.
When you do anything without a plan in place, it causes panic, and that's not good for the economy, and it's obviously not going to be good for the American people. I mean, there has to be something concrete that, if it's going to be repealed, that keeps things from turning into turmoil.
All of the people I spoke to today were on different sides of the debate, but they all agreed that those with pre-existing conditions should be protected and that before Republicans move forward with a repeal, Suzanne, they need to have a firm plan in place to replace it.
Veronica, thank you.